How to change Keybank account password online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change Keybank account password online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to key.com. Now click on the sign on option. On this sign on portal, you will have to enter your user ID and password. If you have forgotten your password or you want to change your password, then all you have to do is scroll a little bit down and there you will have the option of problem signing on. Go ahead and click on that option. Once you click on this, it will show you different options here. Click on the one that says forgot my password. Once you click on this option, it will take you to another page. Now on this page, you will have to enter some details. Before that, you want to select your account type. So select if it is your personal account or business account. Then you want to enter your user ID. Once that is done, enter your social security number. Then click on the next option. After that, you will be prompted to reset your password. In case you have forgotten your user ID as well, go ahead and click on the Forgot User ID option at the top. Once you click on this option, you will have to enter your social security number. Then click on the next option. Follow the on-screen prompts to recover your user ID as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.